Unlock the power of seamless transactions for your Lovable projects by integrating Stripe, the world's most trusted payment gateway. Let's dive into connecting your Stripe Apikey to Lovable, ensuring your users can make payments securely and efficiently. First, you'll need to access your Stripe account. Navigate to your Stripe dashboard, and within the Developer section, locate your API keys. Here, you'll find your unique API keys. It's crucial to copy both your Live secret key and your Publishable key. Remember to keep your secret key confidential, as it's used for sensitive operations. Now, head over to your Lovable application. Look for the Integration or Settings area, where you can input payment gateway credentials. Find the field specifically for the Stripe secret key and paste the secret key you copied from Stripe. Ensure it's entered accurately to avoid any connection issues. Next, locate the field for the Stripe Publishable key and carefully paste the Publishable key you copied. This key is used for front-end operations. Once both keys are entered, click the Save or Connect button to finalize the integration. You should see a confirmation message indicating a successful connection. With your Stripe API key successfully connected, your Lovable application is now equipped to handle payments securely. Your users can now enjoy a smooth and reliable payment experience, and you can manage all transactions seamlessly through your Stripe dashboard. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Stripe with Lovable, opening up a world of secure and efficient payment processing for your applications.